why do founders look for investment? Because and I will tell you, give you a very specific example of this. There is one case or one connection, acquaintance whom I know very well, who has a specific food item which has just clicked. It's clicked means people buy it left, right, and center. It gets exported. All of those things happen. Okay, but the problem that he is facing is that there is so much demand and he is not able to cater to it. Okay, people are there asking for the product. It has clicked so well, there's an existing market, but this guy is not able to cater to it. Okay, so normally we will feel that people look for investment to expand markets. Maybe you want to spend more on advertisement, you want to spend more on marketing, and that's why you want to generate customers and you look for investment. That is also a reason why investment can be sought. But like in this case, as I'm saying, he has so much of an established market. He doesn't know how to cater to it. He doesn't have the capacity to set up the supply enough to cater to it. Okay, so he is able to sell, he is able to run the business on an operating level, but the scale at which it is functioning gets stuck because he needs to expand, he needs to be able to generate supply that much in order to be able to meet the demand. So then he has to be able to set up that much of the manufacturing of that product, and he has to set up people who will be managing more than one manufacturing units. So there is a lack of management capacity also. So now in this case there is an existing demand, but the capacity to supply gets very very restricted because he's not able to step up. So for this also they will look for investment. And if you if you see a little bit deeper into it, it's not just the money that flows into a company, it's also an expertise, and it's also guidance that someone can get from an investor. Because if an investor has put money, and if they know how the business is run, how the market for a business works, how the supply works, and they are providing that guidance to the founders, okay, then that is also something that founders can be interested in, and that's why they will look for investment. Okay, so they will be looking. Anyone wants to comment anything on this? These can be some reasons why people. Why else do you think they look for investment? So the point is in one way it is true. Someone else, the investor has a deeper pocket and a deeper ability to absorb risk. The internet is slow. We type and it gets to you late. Well, yeah, but I can see all of this now, Nirmal. I can see it, see all your points. Okay. So yeah, like I am saying, there can be distribution of risk for that matter also. Like someone else has a deeper pocket than you and more ability to bear risk. Okay. So yeah, there can be that reason as well.